I'm going to go through it. Let's do some revision. Matrices. First one, Leslie matrix. So Leslie matrix is given by a capital L. There's 3 years for the birds, so it's a 3 by 3. The top row is the fecundity rate. Fecundity, number of females produced per female per year. Thank you. It's basically the birth rate. So you put it in the top row. Now survival rate, that is at a diagonal starting in the first column. So you got 0.2, 0.4. And the rest is all zeros. Okay, and you've created your Leslie matrix. So just remember birth rate, survival rate. Yep, so part B, we're going to find the population of the female birds after 3 years. So you do the Leslie matrix to the power of 3 times by, let's call it the initial n, or n0, yeah. So it's just this big matrix we just did to the power of 3 times by the initial 245, 101, 32. And then it wants to calculate the population of female birds. So you go sum that, you've got to put brackets like that. And that's the total female birds. So you round up. The question should say, calculate the total population of birds. So if it's total population of birds, this is female birds. So what do we need to assume? That there's the same number. Assume same number of females as males. So what would we do with our answer? 2 times that. So we assumed the same number.
It's not the same number.
Let's evaluate the reasonableness now. Our solution is not reasonable because there's not exactly female and male birds, right? So our assumption is wrong.
I could assume that.
It works for
What is
the
female
ability to
offspring
produce
bird?
an abundance.
All right, let's do this. So we first create the matrix. We do the coefficients of x in the first column, yeah? Remember this? Coefficients of x's, coefficients of y's. Put a line and then the constants. Now we need to try and get it so we've got 1s in diagonal and that's a 0. And that'll help us get our x and y. So how could we turn the 9 into a 1? So row 1 becomes, divide them by 9. Then you do the same thing. Oh no, you do something different.
You add 3 over row 1 to
So you add 3 times row 1 plus onto row 2. So it becomes 0, 8, and 10. Divide row 2 by 8. Or actually, technically times it by an 8th. So we know x is equal, y is equal to 10 over 8. We sub that into x plus 2y equals 4. I got that from the first row. To get our x. So then our answer is 6 over 4, 3 over 2. So to evaluate our reasonableness, we sub in this and this into our both equations. Or you can just use technology. Menu, matrix. So on the calculator we got the same answer on calc.